Okay, people, now we're down to pretty much the finished project. Started with this, and this as a template. You could use a piece of cardboard just as easily. Removed the unnecessary material, grinding, filing, tweaking. Here we have the finished product. I just finished scrubbing it with some SOS pads, and this is not a demonstration of my lock picking skills by any means. It's just to show that the pick does indeed function. Simple lock, master number 3. And there you have it. Done deal. Peace, y'all.